talk about our base defense. We run a 5-3-3. Here's the offense. Of course, I line them up in an I. Defensively, we will have a nose guard that is right on top of the center. Our tackle is going to be on the outside shoulder of the guard. Our defensive end is going to be on the outside shoulder of the last guy on the line of scrimmage. So on that side it would be a tackle, this side it would be a tight end. We have a middle linebacker, we'll have a Sam and we'll have two outside backers. We're usually going to call this Sam because most offenses run to the right, so we're going to consider him our strong linebacker. And we will have a Will, which is going to be considered the weak side linebacker. We have a cornerback here, safety, cornerback here. This is our basic formation for defense. Now, responsibilities. The nose guard is a two-gap player. He plays through the head of the center. He's responsible for both A-gaps. The tackles are going to play through the guard's outside shoulder, and then they are responsible for the B-gaps. The ends are going to be a 2-and-2. That means 2 yards upfield, 2 yards in, and set. These are the outside Gatang guys. You do not let anybody outside of you. So we're going to play 2-and-2 with our ends. So we have both A gaps covered, B gaps covered, and these gaps covered. These guys are outside Gatang. So that leaves the middle linebacker as a floater. He's responsible to play inside out on both sides of the ball. The Sam's actual responsibility is going to be the C gap, but he is also a read and react. Since we have an end that is outside Gatang and there is no tight end to this side, this guy is going to be a read and react because we have all these covered. Say that the offense lines up in a double tight formation, which would mean they have two tight ends. That's going to move our end out here. So now our Will, he's a 2-and-2, will now be responsible for this C gap. Ends outside responsibility, linebackers, plug and play. That way we have all of our gaps covered. Cornerbacks will always have 2-and-2 leverage, 2 yards out, 2 yards up. And what that means, that's how far I want them off, and I want them to steer and angle these receivers in this direction. We never let them go outside of us and straight down the field. So we will actually turn our bodies just a little bit, and the cornerback will kind of be a little bit like this on this guy's outside shoulder. So here, forcing him to the inside. The reason we do that, we're forcing him in to help. If it is a pass play, it's a cover 3, which means the safety's in the middle. Quarterbacks are back halves, that's outside 10 yards. We read pass, this linebacker is going to be responsible for this area, this middle backer here, this Will backer here. Very simple, basic 53 cover 3 defense.